Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating E09 error code on your Bosch dishwasher, don't panic. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get it fixed quickly. This error typically pops up in 2025 models and indicates a problem with the water inlet system, meaning your dishwasher isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. Let's dive right in. First off, what does E09 really mean? In Bosch dishwashers, this code signals an issue with water inflow or drainage. It could be as simple as a temporary glitch or something more serious like a blocked hose. The good news is that most causes are fixable at home with basic tools. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One major culprit is a kinked or clogged inlet hose, which restricts water flow. Another possibility is a faulty water inlet valve that's not opening correctly. You might also have a problem with the water supply itself, like low pressure from your home's plumbing, or even a dirty filter that's blocking water entry. In some cases, it's due to a sensor malfunction or an electrical issue. Alright, time for the solutions. Let's get hands-on. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the inlet hose for any kinks or blockages and straighten it out if needed. Next, inspect and clean the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Debris buildup is a frequent offender. If that doesn't work, test the water inlet valve. You might need to replace it if it's defective. Don't forget to reset the dishwasher by pressing the power button for about 10 seconds or running a quick cycle after plugging it back in. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call a professional technician, especially if you're dealing with wiring problems. Remember, always prioritize safety and consult your dishwasher's manual for model-specific advice. There you have it. Simple fixes for the E09 error code. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.